Hey guys, how you doing today? I'm Andrew with GC Termite Control, and we are an XT-2000 Orange Oil Plus certified company, and I'm here today to answer one of the most frequently asked questions, which is how does orange oil actually smell like? So how the name implies it, orange oil, it does smell like oranges. So it's a citricy smell that is going to be staying on the areas that are going to be treated. For how long, it really depends on the ventilation that the area has. It could be anywhere from a couple days to a couple of weeks. It's not a smell that goes away really quickly, but again, it smells like oranges. Like you have many oranges, in an enclosed space, you're gonna get that citric smell as I mentioned. But yeah, it's nothing really horrible. So if you don't like oranges, perfect. If you don't like them, might be a little bit of a problem. But yeah, so orange oil does smell like oranges. All right, guys. So if you have any more questions or concerns, leave them in the comment box below, and I'll see you next time to answer another frequently asked question. Have a great day.